Well, I'm back here in Post Falls in this fantastic Lennar neighborhood. Let's go take a look. As you'll see, this neighborhood is well underway. Here's some of the different homes Lennar is building. Here we have the Hawthorne, 2-car, 2786 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. Next is the Davenport, a 2-car, 2550 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. Here's the Stevenson, 2-car, 2704 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. This is the Davenport, 3-car, 2551 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. Here's the Stevenson, 3-car, 2705 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And over here is a single story. This one is the Hamilton, a 3-car, 1670 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Notice how clean these job sites are. If they take pride in keeping the exterior clean, you can be sure they are taking the same care of the interior. Hello, I'm Dale.frazell with New Construction Realtor. Feel free to reach out to me if you have questions about any of these homes. As you can see, Lennar is going gangbusters in this new neighborhood. Still time to pick your lot and floor plan. As I've mentioned in a previous video, everything is included in these homes, from full landscaping, front and back, with sprinkler, full fencing for keeping the kids and dogs in, AC, quartz countertops, just to mention a few. They are move-in ready. This is the Stevenson. This is their 3-car series. It also comes in a 2-car series. It's 2705 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The cool thing about this, it comes with a den and a loft. It's really neat upstairs. It also comes in 3 different elevations. Elevation A, which is a 3-car, elevation B, 3-car, and also elevation, what they call the modern farmhouse with a 3-car. Note to viewers, I don't work for Lennar or any other builder, but I sell their homes. I am a new construction specialist and I work for buyers like you. If you have any questions regarding this Lennar home or any other new construction homes in the area, feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you're out of the area, no worries, I've got you covered. I do weekly videos on the progress of the home. I hope you enjoyed this fantastic new neighborhood of Lennar's and a snapshot of the Stevenson. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I do weekly videos. Until next time, take care.